Hello friends, today we are going to see advanced filtering technique in Excel. Advanced filtering has advantage over the normal filtering. When you apply a normal filtering, once you have applied certain filter, you have a less data available when you apply a second filter, right? And with the advanced filtering, you can apply a multiple kind of filters, complex criteria on a complete database directly once. Now let's see when you the advanced filter tab is available in a data tab in a sort and filter ribbon. Here you can see the advanced. Now you need to create a criteria. It is asking two options, copy to another location. With a normal filter, your data is filtered on the same location. You cannot copy to another location, but the advanced filter gives this option to copy your data at another location. It is providing three steps. List range, that is your raw data that you want to filter. Criteria range, what is your criteria for filtering? We need to supply the criteria, and copy to, at which location you want to copy your data. Now, the trick here is, first thing is we need to provide the criteria. Let's see that I want all the entries with the Samsung mobile. So I can keep it like that, the header row, and here I would say Samsung. So this becomes my criteria. That is one thing. Spelling should be correct. Yes. And now important thing is, suppose I want to filter this based on Samsung, but as a output, I only want certain columns, maybe date and sales representative, or sales representative and sales number, right? I do not want the mobile as a output. So I want certain uh, columns as a output. So that is another advantage with the advanced filter. Let's see that I want data this column and sales column, right? So these are the columns I want as my answer. So now I'm going to data advanced, and I want to copy to another location, and my range is this range, and criteria range is, this is my criteria range. I can supply multiple criteria here, maybe sales also I can keep it here. And copy to location, I need to select this two criteria. When I'm selecting this two criteria, I will get as a output only the columns of that two columns as a output result. This is my output result, only sales representative and sales. You can see here, if I filter, like I can see Samsung, so Jitendra is there, Kajal is there, Varun is there, Jitendra, Kajal, Varun, right? So other data are already filtered. With advanced filter, you can apply multiple criteria. The next cell, if I want Samsung along with the sales representative as a Jitendra, I can put a sales representative Samsung and Jitendra. Now I delete these things, and I want as output this time, I want the date, sales representative, and let's say this two as I want as a output, right? So I'm putting that two things here. I'm going to data and advance, and this is the correct range, I guess. It is showing the correct range, and criteria ranges, this will become my criteria range here. If it is in same row, if the data is in same row, it means Excel interprets as a and. So I will filter all the data where mobile is Samsung and sales representative is Jitendra. And once I do that, I copy to range is this, and when I click OK, I will get only this columns as output. You can see Jitendra, so only three Jitendra where Samsung will be there. One is here, then maybe another is here, maybe another is here, right? So this Jitendra with 1+ has not come up in our output. You can have a multiple columns like cells like this, and you can give a criteria like cells that is greater than I can say 45,000, and I would say again cells column with the another criteria that is less than maybe 90,000. This also you can put, and suppose this time you want Samsung Jitendra, and with this criteria, let's see is there we have any data or not. I go to data, I go to advanced, I go to copy. This is my range state, this is my table, row data, my criteria range. This will become my criteria range. And I have not specified anything. Let's see how it comes. When I don't specify anything as a header, it will give me all the columns as output. Now there are two values such a weight head that is greater than 45,000 and less than 90,000. So if I specify the columns here, then only that column will be given as a output. So if I put certain data as a next row, right? Suppose I'm deleting this column, and suppose if I put certain criteria in next row, in a next row, Excel will interpret either Samsung or Jitendra, right? Now let's see data and advanced, and this is the same way, and criteria range will become this, and copy to, let's put it here. And when I click OK, you will have all the Samsung entry, or it has a Jitendra as a sales representative. So Samsung entry or Jitendra, though it is not Samsung, but it is a sales representative is Jitendra. So our data is filtered and we are given as a output. Okay, so if it is in same row, the Excel interprets as a AND criteria. Mobile as a Samsung and sales representative as a Jitendra. If it is in next row, Excel interprets as either mobile should be Samsung or sales representative should be Jitendra. If either of this condition is true, it will give our data in a filter. Thank you very much for this.